Today I'm going to share with you this awesome Rose Topiary done in a contemporary fashion utilizing a twig armature. To begin this design, I took these straight willow reeds and inserted them vertically into the Midnight Oasis that I have pre-soaked with floral foam. Next, I took shorter sections of the same twigs and bound them to the vertical twigs in a diagonal fashion to create this armature, utilizing the Smithers Oasis bind wire. After I've created the armature, I added in two varieties of roses. I put in the golden mustard roses first, and then I added in some of these gorgeous Juliet roses. Both are from Alexandra Farms. Inserting them quite deep, like 2 inches at least, to make sure that they'll drink really well. Then I anchored the bottom of the arrangement with the green trick Dianthus by Royal Flowers, just tucking it in, some in the middle, some to the outside. Then I added the Italian Ruscus, and I did one that whipped around the bottom of the container and a couple extra pieces. And then I took one from the floral foam up through the armature to lead your eye up to the top again. Lastly, I added in some Plumosa for a little bit of softness, and then this tinted Sea Star Australian Fern that I tinted with a little bit of the champagne gold, and then I hit it with a little bit of the blush from Design Master. Overall, I think this is a really fun design, and you should definitely give it a try. Please check us out for future videos. Thanks for watching today. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.